Hi everyone, welcome to the Cat Kings NMAT Daily series. This is Anisha here. Today I'm sorting the queries which most of the students have been sending out to me कि NMAMS का फॉर्म कब भरना है, क्यों भरना है, कैसे भरना है, right? So all of you guys who have registered for NMAT, that is step 1 guys. You have now registered to go and take the exam. But before you write your NMAT, you have to finish submitting your NMAMS form. And the deadline for the NMAMS form is before the last date of it, so please make sure that you do not miss it out, right? Whenever you are taking NMAT exam, irrespective of it, NMAMS form you should fill up at the earliest, because we are writing NMAT to get into NMAMS, right? So don't miss out. But as a rule, it has to be submitted 1 day before your first attempt. Mandatory, otherwise you are not eligible for NMAMS. And trust me, people have done this blunder. भूल गए NM का फॉर्म भरना, पहले अटेम्प्ट के बाद भरा तो बेटा एलिजिबल नहीं हो आप, right? So don't lose the opportunity to get into NMAMS. It's a very simple, very small and a short form that you need to fill in, okay? Just go to nmat.nmams.edu, right? Once you go there, this is how your page is going to look like, right? Step 1 is to register for NMAT. If you have already registered, then you can directly go to step 2. If you have not yet registered, then fill in your details and click on register now for registering for NMAT by GMAC. उसका फॉर्म कैसे फिल करना है, there's a separate video already done. Check that out, how to fill the NMAT form. Make sure you fill that diligently, because all the details you fill in the NMAT form are what will go into your NMAMS form as pre-filled details, ठीक है? So please make sure you fill that very well, thoroughly. Once you register, you will get a confirmation with that thank you for registering for NMAT by GMAC. आपका step 1 sorted है. Then you will go to step 2, which is by clicking on apply now, okay? There is the admission handout available, which talks about also your number of seats in all the programs, all the colleges. I'll show you guys that later ahead, so stay tuned so that you know which all campuses has how many number of seats. Accordingly, you can select your preference. And also it talks about the eligibility criteria for all the programs, so that you're able to understand the same. And it also consists of the biggest news and the shocking news which they had provided this year, that NMAMS, including all campuses, will only accept your first main NMAT attempt scores, right? So please make sure कि NM का फॉर्म उसके चक्कर में आप लास्ट तक नहीं रख के बैठो, फिल कर दो in the next 3-4 days, okay? Once you click on the apply now, you will land up to your MBA 2022 application form. It is correct, it is 2022 application form, because you will be joining MBA in 2022. First thing you will do is enter your NMAT by GMAC ID, your date of birth, and click on login. Once you log in, you will start seeing certain details which are pre-filled, okay? So just make sure कि you read the instructions once. पहले कोई भी form fill कर रहे हो, instructions को पढ़ लेना, so that we do not mess up anything. Read the eligibility criteria as well. Then just verify your personal details. This is something which you have already filled in your NMAT by GMAC form. वो autofill होके यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, which is what you have to verify कि correct है, कोई mistakes नहीं है. Then you will come to the most important section, which is choosing your program preference, okay? Good thing is now they have mentioned the location. पहले सिर्फ MBA लिखा होता था, तो which causes a little confusion. Now you have it clearly written, MBA Mumbai, which is the main core flagship program of NMAMS. Second is MBA Human Resource, which is where you get your the MBA HR program, which is provided in the Mumbai campus. Then we have the third, which is MBA Decision Science and Analytics. This is the dual degree program, 1 year in Mumbai, 1 year in Purdue, and you get the degree from both of them. So it's a good one option for people who are looking at abroad options as well. In fact, if I look at these 3 programs, last year the cutoff for all of these 3 was 235, okay? Then is your MBA Pharma Management program, which is again in the Mumbai campus. Cutoff for this is always lesser. somewhere around a 200 to 210 range usually. Then you also have the MBA off campuses. Now a good update is that all the off campuses earlier used to be called as the PGDM programs. Now since last year, even they have turned into MBA programs. Here you have to, once you select the off campus as an option, you will have to give in your preferences: Bangalore, Navi Mumbai, Hyderabad, Indore, right? So it's very important that you are aware of which all are the options available and how many seats are available in all the campuses and programs. So this is available in the admission handout. So I've taken a snippet of that for you guys here. The core MBA program, where you have the options to choose finance, marketing and operations. You have 600 seats, main Mumbai campus. MBA HR, 120 seats. Dual degree program, 60 seats. Pharma management in Mumbai, 120 seats. There is MBA Bangalore, 240 seats. Hyderabad, 120. Navi Mumbai, 120. Indore, 60 seats. Then in the main Mumbai campus itself, though it comes under a different wing, which is called as the College of Center of Excellence for MBA, right? We have business analytics as well as digital transformation, something which started last year. Digital transformation. Business analytics started 2 years back. So the first batch has graduated in 2021. Then last you have the business analytics program, which is located in Hyderabad campus itself. So overall there are 1680 seats that NMIMS has to offer across the programs, across the campuses. All right. And the best part is, across all campuses, 30% of seats are reserved for female candidates. So all the girls, it's a golden opportunity to make it to NMIMS, and trust me, it will be worth it. So make sure you guys are focusing and preparing for NMAT. If you guys have not yet started, then let's get started right now. Do not waste any time. Start giving mocks, start preparing for NMAT so that you are able to make it to NMIMS. All right, stay tuned for more updates and more strategies coming up further ahead for you. All the best and take care, and make sure after you finish filling all of these things, until and unless you finish making your payment, the form is not complete. So complete the form, fill in the payment receipt, download the payment receipt also for yourself, keep a copy of it, and then you are done with your complete application. All right, all the best. Bye bye, take care and have a good day.